Ghana has received several warnings from the European Union for illegal, unregulated and underreported fishing practices. In this report, Daniel Abugri-Anyoriga investigates Ghana's dwindling fish stock and the impact of the EU warnings on the fishing industry. This report is read by Rita Mensah.
Fish, in its various forms, smoked, grilled or dried, plays a crucial role in meeting the protein needs of Ghanaian households. However, recent changes in price and availability have raised concerns, particularly for those earning the minimum wage of 14 Ghana cedis, 88 pesos. Data from the Fisheries Commission confirms a worrying decline in fish stock, impacting various fishing communities. Over the past decade, the catch of Eban, Antar, and Keta schoolboys has seen a marginal decrease. Surprisingly, salmon, which recorded its highest catch in 2011 at over 17,000 metric tons, experienced a sharp decline to the lowest in 2018. At the beach of Gomwa Inyenyano, a fishing community in the central region, we meet Elizabeth Bafor, a fishmonger in her mid-60s, who shares her concerns about the ripple effect of the dwindling fish stock.
By this time, I'm phone. When you can no hat on up, it's scared for so a benyan, Nina, a chairman. Let's say the major bay, and what the one would have first in Winyana. In Canam low, yes, in age when a young fuss. But Matana Belle, 2 and an Belle, now Bella 150. Two more coca, in your Bella 500, and that's said.
Ghana's fishing industry, which employs almost 3 million people, has seen significant growth in fish exports. In 2021, fish exports generated over $150 million, marking a substantial 75% increase from the previous year. However, illegal, unregulated, and underreported fishing activities have led to an estimated annual loss of $100 million, as reported by the Environmental Justice Foundation. The European Union, Ghana's leading export destination, has issued 2 yellow cards due to these issues, one in 2013 and another in 2021. In response to the sanctions, a new marine fisheries management plan has been developed.
The main pillar of the yellow card, one is the IUU, that is continuously going on, and the other one is our Fisheries Act, which needs to be updated. So there's a review of the Fisheries Act currently going on.
While authorities work on implementing new measures, local fisherfolk like Joshua Annan, a canoe owner in Gomwa Inyenyano, expressed their concerns about transshipment and dumping at sea.
You may be offended, I go. And what Kokoto and logo fish in Wagoto, whatever was over ton food. He says, when we start to order my wonko. The Nam logo fishing in here and was says, or 2 bosom. Oboade, what the age man? Yanam Obon walk through what the age man. Oh, Sergeant, okay, at red fish, I can send in Namanam Akasagas. The walk was so on why you should net in Kitty Kitty. And they to me Panam. What do you remember?
To combat illegal fishing activities, the Ghana Navy has been authorized to undertake monitoring, control, surveillance, and enforcement in the fisheries sector. The Deputy Director of Naval Operations, Commander Abu Zakaria, sheds light on the Navy's operations.
What the Ghana Navy is doing now is based on the acquisition of such maritime domain awareness tools that we have. We have a very good picture at sea. Unlike those days, where we could sail out to sea, you understand, looking for infractions or vessels that may commit infractions. So now we have a very robust, comprehensive maritime domain awareness tools at our operation centers all the maritime operation centers dotted. We have 5 of them. We have the mother one at the headquarters here. We have the 2 major commands, the Eastern Naval Command and Western Naval Command in Tema and Sekendi. We have one at Newtown. We have one at Newtown, Hafasini, and we have another one, yes, and Aflao, the borders. So Aflao, you have an MOC there, and all these have the maritime domain awareness tools. We also conduct patrols based on the intelligence that we gather on the activities of these fishing vessels.
Responding to a right to information request by Citi News' Daniel Abugre Anyorega, the Fisheries Commission reported close to 500 offences, with the majority being related to dumping of fish and transshipment. Surprisingly, out of the close to 500 cases, only 61 have been addressed, all through out-of-court settlements. This leaves over 400 offences unpunished, prompting questions about the reasons behind this and the prevalence of out-of-court settlements. Attempts to get insights from the Fisheries Commission on these issues have been unsuccessful.